Mama, you are still packing. I need to go out. And I'm supposed to drop you off in Grandma's house. Why do you have to pack all this? Why though? What? You guys, my baby has not been well for the past 2 days. It's just now that she's getting herself. She's literally just getting herself after we are... She had like swollen gums, a very itchy, dry cough, catarrh, weakness and all that. So we were prescribed an antibiotic because we were sure it was an infection, and then also treating her for malaria. So she's back to her normal self now. Isn't that so, Mama?
Yes.
Can I see your face? Please. I can't wait for you to pack all these things, Mama. I'll be late to where I'm going to. Can I go, please? I'll leave you. Should I leave you?
No.
Thank God it's inside your room. All of this mess is inside your room. So when you come back, you deal with it. Can we go?
Mommy, when you come back, I will play.
Yes, when you come back, you play. Can you please remove this headband? I don't know why this headband is like this. You want to wear it?
Yes.
Alright, hi guys. So I'm just leaving my house right now. And I'm going somewhere very exciting, guys. Today I am meeting up with one of your favorite YouTubers of all time. Like, of all time. I won't let you guys know who it is until we get there. But maybe by the title of this vlog, you can already tell who I am meeting up with today, okay? Anyways, I'm heading out now. We're meeting up today. She said 3 p.m. We're going to be doing a collaboration for both our channels. I'm meeting her for the first time as well. Very excited about this. Okay, Mia said she wants to see you guys, so there she is.
See what I'm doing, guys.
See what I'm doing, guys.
Today I'm going to Jama's house because I'm leaving the home now.
Really? Yeah. Okay, so can we go now? Can we go now? But you said you want to go to Jama's house, isn't it?
Mommy, thank you.
Okay, can I have my key? Thank you. Hi. It's like this Abuja you came to. It's only waka waka. Oh, look at people's favorite YouTuber, Mama. Oh, Mama DYNA. Oh, I know you've been shouting now since you came. Oh, hello, cutie.
He's so.
Oh.
Hi, guys. Mama, I lost my voice.
I know. Abuja is sweeting her too much. That's why she's losing her voice.
I have met you people's favorite.
Oh, yeah. My name was everywhere.
You've not seen it.
I'm not.
I'm not. And also your message, I was like, it's like you knew.
Ah.
Oh guys, thank you.
Oh, good to see you. Good to meet you.
Amazing content.
Oh, thank you.
Your style of videos is almost like Vivian Okeze,
but more subtle. More, it says more pushy. Oh, you need me to help you carry the bag so you can focus on carrying him. You people should come and see your queen. Hi. Oh. You should see your queen. She has changed clothes too. She has changed clothes now to a better clothes now for this. You understand? You understand now?
So if you're watching this, go and do the energy.
Exactly. You know what's up.
Because this energy, you have to go right.
Meanwhile, guys, this Airbnb that DYNA is so nice.
It is sweet.
I can't believe I've been in Abuja almost 24 years. And I didn't know about this place. Yes.
You were born here?
No. We moved here when I was like 8 years old. I mean 9 years old.
Whoa.
Yeah, I've been here for long, since 1998.
Whoa.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. I've been in Abuja for a long time.
That means
I'm an Abuja girl to the core. Yes, so.
Eh?
But then there are still some places that I can go and misplace. I'm telling you, there are still places. Gwarimpa. That's
Local Goma.
Local Goma.
Travel.
Isn't that travel?
That was how it was.
Which is it's big. It is.
I like
it is. Guys, we just finished filming.
Watch it though.
Please watch when it goes up.
Some support.
Yes, so
Come and support us.
yes, so I beg. We had fun, guys. We filmed 2 videos, one for my channel and one for Dyna's channel, so check them out. I'm not sure if it will be up before this vlog or after this vlog, but whichever way, just check it out and enjoy it. Yeah, my work here is done. I'll soon be out of here. We didn't meet on time, but would have gone out to lunch, you know. And
Crazy.
yeah,
Abuja is so beautiful.
so she said,
I'm coming back.
yes, please.
And it's gonna be bigger next
Just groove. We'll just come back for groove next time so that we can go out, have fun.
Thank you. See, Alma is one of the loveliest human on earth. So if you're support her real hard.
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank
And she's
you.
beautiful. She doesn't even know. She has this kind of beauty. And she sits down to earth. If it's me, when I go here more.
Thank you so much, Dyna. You're amazing. We had fun, guys. Beautiful, beautiful day. So happy.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, the only one is inside of me. Oh, I don't really dare to escape. Fall out in another space, so I stay. Hey, oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm a homeless soul. There's a war in me tonight. I try to stop it by escaping it. This game has lost its fun. Gun me out, take me down. Hey, I don't really dare to escape. Fall out in another space, so I stay. Hey, oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm a homeless soul. I don't wanna fall back down, 'cause I already touched the ground. Someone please hear me. Oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm a homeless soul. Oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I'm a homeless soul. There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, the only one is inside.
He's kind of fine. Okay.
Yeah, he has a popular song right now.
Not right now, but he has had popular songs in the past.
Hey. Letter A. Starts from letter A.
No.
Letter C.
No.
Number 5.
I think it's number 5 again.
Number 5 number 6.
No. No.
Letter K.
Yeah.
Letter K. I just get that one like letter K. Musician, American, K. Zuma. K. Can you dance?
No, really. I've seen him dance once or twice, but not.
So just rapping. He's a rapper.
Yeah.
Why you care? I want
K. What the hell?
Like really? That's so easy.
You're almost there.
Like
K.
yeah.
K.
Yes.
Second name maybe like A.
Yes.
Second name. What's the second name?
No, second, sorry.
You said that yes.
Second letter.
Okay, last name A.
No.
Hey, I don't know. Which kind of one be this? Married.
He was married.
What? He just got divorced.
Divorced.
He just got divorced.
Yes. That K is enough clue.
His wife.
Because even his wife starts with K.
They're very controversial.
Yeah.
Musician.
I think they have 4 kids.
You giving her all the clues already. Like at this point, you can't get it.
With a controversial wife.
Yes.
K with a controversial wife.
And it starts from K.
Even her own name too starts
At
from
this
K.
point, I give up. I know this.
Are you serious? Let's just tell her.
Hey,
Kanye West. Celebrity. Yes.
Male or female?
Male.
Nigerian?
No.
American?
Yes.
Musician?
Yes.
Rap?
No.
R&B?
No.
Hip hop?
No.
What dinners?
There's only other genres of music that is not R&B and hip hop.
Rock?
No.
Dirge?
Once you get that genre, you've gotten it.
He invented a dance step.
Hey.
Michael Jackson?
Oh my God. Tengu. Tengu, what is this?
No, we gave you clues now.
Tengu. Hey. Tengu, that's like the but you gave her like the easier, that's the sweetest. Dance step.
Excuse me, man. I don't say no. What was that? Think of that. Put that in your skirt and shake it. Put that in your skirt and shake it.
They have invented steps now.
Who are who?
Soldier Boy.
I bet who remember Soldier Boy? Who is Soldier Boy? Tengu, you just gave her the answer on a platter of gold.
Musician.
Yes.
Nigerian.
No. Like really? You can't think of any female musician in America.
Did surgery.
No.
What's the
No, we don't know.
Very
She never came out to say that she did anything, no. So we don't know. No.
Lip sealed on that one.
not rap.
No. She's black.
She's black.
She's very Beyonce.
I keep hearing about all the clues.
Asking, she may not get it.
Musicians, right?
No.
Oh Lord. Okay. Male or female?
Male.
Nigerian.
No.
R&B.
You said it's not a musician.
So what is it now?
Wait, nah.
Track and field.
You have given her all the clues.
Which one is track
So
and
we
field
just
again?
stop.
Track and field now.
Wait, I don't even know.
Athletics, track and field. If we say the countries, enough for us to even
Okay, so
guess.
record breaker.
Oh, is it Nigerian?
Record
No.
breaker.
No.
Record breaker.
Hey.
Yeah, that's one.
Record breaker.
Yes.
Let's just
Footballer.
No. Very popular.
Oh my God.
Skinny, tall.
Hi.
Skinny, tall.
What? Hi. Hi.
Ah.
Tengu, why? Why?
Jamaican.
Yeah, Jamaican. That's all look.
There's no that clue they can give you. Jamaican.
Alive or dead?
No, that's a good clue. That's a good, yeah. But he's alive. Olympic gold medalist.
Yes.
Points is all over.
Olympic gold medalist, Jamaican, tall and skinny.
Record breaker.
Like.
Okay, fine. Fastest.
Fastest man. Is this Male or female?
Male.
Young or old?
In between. Youngish. He's not old, Sha.
American actor. Musician, dancer. Musician. Okay, musician.
Yes.
You said he's American.
No.
Nigerian.
Yes.
I gave you easy something. You should be thanking me right now.
Flavor.
No.
Links.
No. See your mouth like links. From where? Where do you think of links from?
Actor at this point. Igbo.
Yeah. Yes.
Does it start from A?
No.
B?
No.
C? No. J?
No.
Zulezu.
No. That's Lezu. He literally stopped before the alphabet.
Okay, K?
Yes. That's all the clue she needs, to be honest.
And he had this song that was like mad
Like big. That year, oh, no, it's not now, Sha. That year. Yeah. Yeah. But I think he also has a popular brother.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, he has a popular brother too.
Hey, no.
Casey Press.
Yeah.
Alphabet. First alphabet.
You said that you
No.
B?
No. Yeah. M. Yeah. Kind of starts with M. Yeah. Look at how the
I trust you.
American female, white or black?
Black. Don't
Black.
you mention it, this will be saying yes or no now.
So black. Did you get American? Female. Singer?
No.
Actress?
No.
Kind of.
Fashion design- actress?
No.
No dancer.
No.
Fashion
Advanced.
designer? Influencer?
No, she's advanced.
Advanced?
Yes.
She's old. She's an old woman.
Not really. She
Has been in the industry for.
okay.
She's not an actress.
No.
What does she now do now?
She acts sometimes.
She talks a lot. She talks a
Yes,
lot.
exactly.
She talks a
yes,
lot.
Yes. She's successful. Very successful.
Very.
Yeah.
Hold on here.
What's
Wait.
goes on in the record book, so
Yes.
Really?
very influential.
Barack Obama's wife.
No.
Has a school in South Africa.
That's
Philanthropy.
Talk show host.
no.
Yes.
She had a talk show.
Yes.
I think
At this point, that's enough.
She's advanced.
That's enough. At
She's
this point-
advanced. So wait, though.
As in,
She's in her 50s.
She's trying to process it, trying to join the
She's in
team.
her 50s
yes.
I think she's older.
or 60s.
Yes.
more than.
Why would we put you a thing like
She's
this?
not married.
She's not married.
Yes.
Is she not married?
No.
No.
She's not.
She's not married.
Yes.
That's a long time.
And she doesn't want to be married.
No, she has a
You don't know if she
relationship.
wants to be married or
She
not.
doesn't want to be married.
just on
She had a talk show host.
Yes.
This one, at that talk show host, I just stopped there actually.
Wait,
Well,
just wait. Just
Come
chill.
on, girl.
Just
She's going to get it.
That was the first.
Wait, nah. Just wait, I'm coming. Does she sometimes produce movies
Yes.
or series? Oprah Winfrey?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow, that was tough.